Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money now. We'll dive into practical, easy-to-implement strategies that can help you start earning quickly. Whether you have a few hours to spare or are looking for a more consistent side hustle, these tips are designed to provide immediate financial benefits. Let's explore how you can transform your time and skills into tangible earnings, starting today with simple, actionable steps. Looking for quick online earnings? Consider taking paid surveys. Many platforms offer between 50 cents and $3 for each completed survey, taking just a few minutes. Microtask sites also provide small, immediate payments for simple digital jobs. Don't forget about selling items you no longer need. Listing them on online marketplaces can quickly turn clutter into cash, often within 24 to 48 hours. Local services offer excellent opportunities for immediate income. You could offer pet sitting or dog walking, easily earning $15 to $25 an hour. Lawn care and gardening are also in high demand, with jobs often paying $30 to $50. Even simple tasks like running errands for neighbors, such as grocery shopping, can bring in $10 to $20 per task, providing quick and helpful service. Your existing skills are valuable assets for earning money. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, consider tutoring. You can typically charge $20 to $40 per hour. Freelance writing or graphic design are also popular online avenues, allowing you to set your own rates. Even teaching a hobby like playing an instrument or a foreign language can generate income, often around $30 for a one-hour session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.